system. Respiration, oxidation of food to release energy in the form of ATP. Nature of process, catabolic process, energy currency ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Product of aerobic respiration, CO2 or H2O or ATP. Product of anaerobic respiration, lactic acid, muscle, ethanol, CO2 is aerobic respiration site mitochondria, anaerobic respiration site cytoplasm. Glycolysis, conversion of glucose into glucose to pyruvic acid, occur in cytoplasm. Oxygen not required. Glycolysis, also called EMP pathway. Embedded myrophranase, pyruvic acid from one glucose, 2 molecules, CO2 molecules from one glucose. 6. Primary primary fuel of respiration, glucose. Respiration measuring instrument, respirometer. Respiratory quotient, RQ, CO2 produced or O2 consumed. Breathing versus respiration. Breathing, mechanical process of inhalation and exhalation, no energy production. Respiration, biochemical process inside cell, ATP generation. Breathing site, breathing site outside cell, respiration site inside cell. Enzyme not required in breathing, required in respiration. Human respiratory tract sequence: nostril, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchioles, alveoli. Common organ of digestive respiratory system, pharynx. Organ closing airway during swelling, epiglottis. Air conditioner of body, nasal chamber. Lung covering, pleural membrane. Mediastinum, space between two pleural sacs. Lungs and gas exchange, structural function unit, alveolus. Exchange method, simple diffusion. Medium of gas exchange, blood. Oxygen carrier, hemoglobin in RBC. CO2 transport from form mainly bicarbonate, NaHCO3, KaHCO3. Deoxygenated blood of lungs, pulmonary artery. Oxygenated blood of heart, pulmonary vein. Diaphragm, dome-shaped muscle, contract in inhalation. Cilia, remove dust and mucus. Mechanism of breathing: inhalation, diaphragm contract, thoracic cavity volume increase. Exhalation, diaphragm relax, move upward. During exercise, breathing depth and rate increase. Adult respiratory rate 12 से 20 breath per minute at rest. Decrease in O2 level, breathing rate increases. Control of respiration, respiratory center location between medulla oblongata and pons. Temperature control, hypothalamus. Low O2 at high altitude, hypoxemia or hypoxemia. High altitude adaptation, RBC production increases. Cellular respiration fact: ATP from 1 NADH, 3 ATP, classical value. Curve cycle discover Hans curve, 1937. Purple venous cold blood color, deoxygenated hemoglobin. Anaerobic process in muscles, lactic acid formation. Yeast fermentation product, ethyl alcohol, CO2. Important structure fact: main bronchi connect trachea to lungs. Bronchioles contain smooth muscles. Alveoli surface area large for maximum gas exchange. Nitrogen in air does not participate in respiration. Oxygen percentage in atmosphere 21%. Respiratory disorder: bronchitis, inflammation of bronchial lining. Bronchial asthma, hypercontraction of bronchiolar smooth muscle. Emphysema, loss of elasticity of alveoli. Air tapping, asthma, narrowed airways with excess mucus. Pneumonia, infection and inflammation of alveoli. Tuberculosis, caused by Mycobacteria tuberculosis. Influenza, caused by influenza virus. Common cold, coryza, viral infection of nasal mucus. Lung cancer risk highest in smoker. Important point: gills, respiratory organ in aquatic organism. Frog, respiration during hibernation. Skin, bronchitis, cause inflammation plus goblet cell overgrowth. Most CO2 carried as bicarbonate ion. Physical activity increase respiratory rate and volume. Occupational lung disease due to dust inhalation. Bronchial inflammation turn bronchitis.